So nowadays the AI is booming. Everywhere talking about the AI and AI tools. It means artificial intelligence. So what if I can tell you that I will give you the complete roadmap of artificial intelligence engineer. So this is the roadmap, and you need to have prerequisites. First of all, front end, back end, and full stack. Also included databases. So let's discuss about the introduction. Introduction is that AI engineer and ML engineer, artificial engineer and machine learning engineer. And second, we talked about pre-trained model and OpenAI API and AI safety and ethics, open source AI and what are the embeddings and RAG and implementation, OpenAI Assistant API and AI agents, multimodal AI development of tools. So let's talk about the what is AI engineer, and we need to learn about AI engineer versus ML engineer to make difference between those them, and interference, training, embedded things and vector databases, AI agents and RAG prompt engineering is also one of the crucial things you need to learn in artificial intelligence. These are the common technologies you need to learn in the introduction part. And we need to learn about the pre-trained model, benefits of pre-trained model, limitations and considerations, OpenAI models, OpenAI models, and capabilities of context, length, cutoffs and depths, knowledge. These are all the pre-trained models. And popular AI models like Authorized Code, Google Gemini, Azure AI, AWS SageMaker, Hugging Face models, Mistral, Course, Replicate. So these are all the popular AI models that you can learn in the part of pre-trained models. And we can discuss about the OpenAI API. So this is the crucial thing to learn any AI to integrate with the application programming interface into your project. Chat, complementation of API and writing the prompts, maximizing the tokens, token counting, price consideration. These are all the managing of tokens when it's come to learning, machine learning prompts. And we have OpenAI Playground, fine tuning, prompt engineering. These are all the core things of prompt engineering of related to artificial intelligence. And also we need to learn about AI safety and ethics, a prompt inject attacks and security of privacy corners and bias fairness. These are all the AI safety and ethics. Understanding AI safety issues. What are the issues you need to learn about artificial intelligence? AI model, OpenAI moderation of API, adding end user IDs in prompt, conducting adversarial testing, robust prompt engineering, know your customers and use cases, constraining outputs and inputs. These are all the best safety practices to learn artificial intelligence in a better way. And also open source AI is also one of the model to know as every machine learning engineer or artificial intelligence engineer. Open versus closed source model, popular open source models like Hugging Face, Olema, these are all the things. So finding open source model is Hugging Face Task, Hugging Face Hub is all the two websites you can build that models. And also using open source models, Inference SDK and Transformers JS. So what are embedded things? It's likely complex things, semantic search, data classification, recommendation system, anomaly detection. These are the use case of embedded system, also embedded things. And also finally we need to learn about RAG and implementation things. Vector database, OpenAI Assistance API, chunking, embedding and vector database retrieval process generation. These are all the core things you need to learn in the artificial intelligence domain. Also you need to learn about AI agents, building AI agents, manual implementation, OpenAI functions, tools, OpenAI assistants or API. So multimodal is also one of the core thing of learning artificial intelligence domain. OpenAI Vision API, DAL, you can across with the ChatGPT, and Hugging Face, long chain and multimodal apps, Llama index and multimodal apps, implementing multimodal AI. And also you need to learn about development of tools, AI code editors, code completion tools, image understanding, image generation, video understanding, audio processing, text to speech to text. These are all the multimodal AI tools. So this is the complete AI artificial intelligence roadmap to learn in the best manner way. So link in the description. This roadmap you can check it out or you can download it there. So if you like this video, please make sure that subscribe to my channel and share to your friends as well. And also like the video. So with that being said, I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.